The iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max are approximately 5 months away from launch, yet the volume and consistency of recent leaks give us a surprisingly clear preview of what Apple is preparing. Starting with the design, leaks posted by PipFix on X suggest a significant redesign of the rear panel. Unlike previous generations, the iPhone 17 Pro models are rumored to feature a horizontal camera bar layout, still holding 3 cameras, but encased in a more pronounced enclosure. This marks the first major visual overhaul since the iPhone 11 Pro, and if accurate, Apple appears to be following broader industry trends rather than setting them. Interestingly, that visual refresh may also come with a material downgrade, or, depending on your perspective, a return. After only 2 years of using titanium in the 15 and 16 Pro models, Apple is reportedly shifting back to aluminum for the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. Whether this change is driven by weight, durability, cost, or thermal reasons remains unclear. But aluminum is supposedly making a comeback along with new mixed color options teased by renders. Camera improvements are also at the forefront. The telephoto lens, which has remained at 12 megapixels for years, is finally being upgraded to 48 megapixels. This will enhance digital zoom quality and produce higher resolution shots even when cropping. Moreover, Apple may introduce 8K video recording for the first time. While 8K at 120 frames per second is unlikely, 30 or 60 frames per second seems to be the expected range. The front-facing camera is also getting a much-needed resolution boost from the long-standing 12-megapixel sensor to a sharper 24-megapixel lens. Additionally, a new software feature may allow simultaneous recording from both front and rear cameras, making things easier for vloggers and creators who want to capture both perspectives in one go. Durability is also being upgraded, with Apple reportedly improving its ceramic shield glass for even better scratch and drop resistance. While you still might crack your phone, it'll now take more effort. Along with that comes a thicker overall design, not for aesthetics, but to fit in a larger battery. This is expected to extend battery life, which is crucial given the increasing power demands of high-performance apps, 8K recording, and multitasking. Internally, the iPhone 17 Pro lineup will be powered by Apple's new A19 Pro chip, built on TSMC's advanced 3-nanometer process, promising better speed and efficiency. Apple also plans to swap out Qualcomm modems in favor of its in-house Wi-Fi 7 and 5G chips, aiming for deeper ecosystem integration and improved power management. Performance enhancements continue with a jump to 12 gigabytes of RAM, finally moving beyond the 8 gigabyte limit. Apple is also working on a new internal cooling system to tackle recent heating issues. As for availability, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are expected to launch in September 2025. Staying true to Apple's traditional timeline, prices are likely to start around $1,199, depending on the configuration, keeping them firmly in the premium category.